If you have up to $500 in your wallet right now, or you have up to $1,000, you have no business using a hot wallet. And even if you don't have such amount of money, pay attention to this video. This device that you're seeing on my hand right here is a hardware wallet, a cold wallet. For those of you that use hot wallet on your devices, I'm sure you probably don't know how it works. Now, hot wallet are wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKS Web3 wallet, and any of the wallets that you use on your phone. Whenever you want to set up this wallet, something happens that you might probably not be aware of. You have to first of all connect your device to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you go into this application to create your wallet. During the course of creating your wallet, a seed phrase is generated for you. Depending on the wallet you're using, it could be a 12 seed phrase, it could be a 24 seed phrase, it could be any number of seed phrase that it is. Whenever you're generating this seed phrase, it is stored locally on your phone storage, even though you're the first person that have ever seen this seed phrase, unless if you have family and friends around, or maybe your village people are watching your seed phrase. But then that is by the way. During the time of creating this your seed phrase, only you have ever seen it. Your seed phrase is now stored locally in your phone storage. You've heard stories of people that woke up one day and told you that they lost their phones. They somehow just checked their wallet and they lost their phones and they don't know how it happened. And they've never ever shared their seed phrase or compromised it in any way. This is how it happened. Your seed phrase is stored locally on your phone storage, even if you don't know it, and you cannot even access it unless probably you jailbreak your phone. For Android, it's something like rooting, when you root your phone and you'll be able to do some extra things and the likes. Or if you click a malicious site. Yes, sometimes whenever you click this malicious site, they could inject some whatever into your phone that will fish through your phone and go through that your phone's local storage and fish out details that are there. There are a whole lot of complicated stuff to this, but basically, if funds were moved out of your wallet, you participated in it, whether you know it or not. These are the type of risks that are associated with hot wallet. This is why for somebody like you that have large amount of money and you want to save your funds, you should get a hardware wallet, a code wallet. The advantage this device has is that whenever you're creating your wallet, you don't have to connect to the internet. So that is to say that during the course of your wallet creation, your wallet has never touched the internet. That is one. Secondly, this is not your mobile device that you use every day. So whenever you create your wallet, the wallet is stored on this device. And as such, it is free from you clicking all of those malicious sites or whatsoever. So you are 100% protected. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be reviewing this device that you're seeing on my hand right here. I recently got it. This is the One Key Classic 1S, and this is the package that it arrived in. I love the way the package is, and it looked premium, although the sellotaping stressed me because I had to go through a lot of stress before I was able to lose the sellotape. But then the packaging was very premium, and as you can see, this is how the device looks like. In case you want to get it, like I said, I'm going to be dropping subsequent videos reviewing it. But in case you want to get it, you can check the link that is on your screen here, or you can check the description box of this video, or basically send me a DM requesting for the link. I'm going to send the link for you. And for those of you that will access the website, you can use my code TONIOSTECH. Whenever you use this code, it's going to give you 10% off. So they are not adding any additional charges for you or whatsoever. But then that is basically that about that. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.